Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play trick or treating in a Dress to Impress game of Roblox new Halloween update. Okay, the Halloween update has been dropped in Dress to Impress, and in this update, you will be able to play trick or treating, guys. First of all, you can teleport to the free play mode, and then you're going to go out of the building. Okay, you can go out of the building and then you can go to the new houses around this map. You're going to go to this area and you're going to interact with this door. Okay, this is the first door and I'm going to interact. Okay, and let's see what we got. Oh my god. I got jump scare. Okay, we're not lucky, and then we can go to the other door. So you just need to knock the door, and I'm going to interact with this door, and I hope that we're lucky. And yeah, I got candy. Okay, you just need to find the door, and then you can interact with the door. Okay, and let's interact. Oh, okay, I got lantern. And we can go back after 15 minutes. And okay guys, that's all the way to play trick or treating in Dress to Impress Halloween update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.